Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this interface for Toyota vehicles. So this will give you Apple CarPlay or Android Auto display basically on your touch screen there of your vehicle. All your apps and everything's going to come up on there. So it has the instructions here, and here's this interface here. And I'm going to be installing this so you guys can check it out. And this is basically plug and play here. And this can work wirelessly through, I believe, Bluetooth. Or we can just direct connect it through our USB. All right, so it has also here, has a couple of plastic priors. You don't want to use metal ones to mess up your dash or anything. So when we're taking off the face of it, we're going to use these for sure. It has this wiring harness here. These are going to be plugging into these places. I should be able to just plug in wherever on the wires. All of them should fit nicely just to get this hooked up with your vehicle. And then it has this little antenna here that's going to go there. And then we have LDS Type-C USB. Here's another interface here. So I'm probably just going to have this part coming down. So I can either connect this either wirelessly or through the USB here. So that's going to come down right through there. All right, so enough jibber jabber. Let's go get this set up and show you guys how it works. There's the normal Toyota screen there. Yes, yes, obey the camera rules, all that. There's my phone connection, ETPC. Should be auxiliary. Ah, there we got CarPlay, AutoLink, AirPlay, camera. No signal. I wonder if that's the camera on my phone. Bluetooth, I haven't set up the Bluetooth yet, but let's see, CarPlay. Please choose CarPlay from setup smartphones, Apple devices before using CarPlay. There's for wired connection, and I have the wireless, so I can plug my cell phone right in here or do the wireless on there too. So yeah, pretty cool. Got the Bluetooth there. This is my thing if I want to pair, connect all that. And then if I just want to go back to, let's see, go settings, and has my system on there, right drive, user update, factory reset, has all those things on there. Resolution. So, bunch of cool stuff. I'm recording with my cell phone, so I can't really show you guys what it is there. And then you just go back to the home screen, I believe. Let's see. How do I get out of auxiliary here? Okay, for mine, just to exit this one, you just hit the power and go to that. So that's pretty sweet. Home, source, auxiliary. Go to that, and we can do CarPlay, Auto, Android Auto, AirPlay. All these things, we just set them up and we're good to go. So anyways, my friends, works really well. I was a little intimidated by the setup, but it's super easy. I mean, you can't even really mess it up. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks so much, and hope it's useful. You guys have a great day. I'll try to get a video here of this. I'll try to get a different phone and record with, so you can check that out. Anyways, we'll catch you all next time.